everyone are fine at your home. First of all, Happy Diwali guys. Before we move into the video, I just wanted to speak about few channels who are posting interesting videos. The first channel is called Devil Gaming Vlogs who are posting gaming videos and also vlogging videos. The second channel is called White Hollows who are posting gaming videos. The third channel posts Kind Master editing tutorials. I will provide the link for their channel in the description and I hope you will support them. Thank you. Now, let's get into today's topic. Is there any science behind the celebration of Diwali? Yes, it is. The answer lies in nature. You see, all the Indian festivals have some relation between the harvest season. Like Sankrant is in the end of winter, Holi is in the end of spring, and Diwali is in the end of cropping season. In the ancient India, there were no concept of weekends. So these seasons were a good opportunity for the relatives to spend time with their family members. Let's make it simple. As Diwali comes when winter comes, it would get darker very soon. So, in order to protect themselves from wild animals, families would light lamps all over the streets in order to welcome Lord Ram who has been away for a purpose. Not only Lord Ram, people who follow different religions have different reasons in order to celebrate Diwali. Buddhists believe that it is the day when King Ashoka gave up war. Jains believe that it is the day when Mahavira attained enlightenment. Sikhs believe that it is the day when Guru Hargobind was released from the Mughal prison. There is a logic behind everything. People use oils that keeps insect away. We clean our house because a cleaner house has a good energy and makes space for everything new. The food has a lot of sugar and ghee which will help the body prepare for the upcoming winter. Lakshmi Puja makes sense because the mother is considered as the Lakshmi who takes care of the health and prosperity of the family. Dhanteras makes sense because it is the day when Dhanvantri is worshipped, who is the god of Ayurveda. Bhai Dooj makes sense because cousins get a chance to meet their cousins at least once in a year. So, I hope you like this video. Make sure to give a huge thumbs up for this video and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once for all, Happy Diwali and thank you.